everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to redeem Zara gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box at the top of the screen, type in Zara gift card redeem and press enter. You'll end up in this next page where you can see several search results displayed on the page. Go and click on how to use a Zara gift card online where next link right here, and this will take you to a page where you'll find all of the information regarding how you can easily redeem your gift card for Zara. Scroll a bit down and under how to redeem a Zara gift card, you'll be able to see a link that says gift card activation page. Give it a click and you'll end up in the gift card activation area for Zara. Type in your gift card number, which is located at the back of your Zara gift card available to you. Once you enter your 16-digit long card number, type in the activation code, which is the last 4 digits of your mobile number. Now enter the CVV number. Right where you can see this kind of an interface. CVV number is 3 or 4-digit number that is unique to each credit card and only appears in the card itself. You'll be able to find the CVV number at the back of your gift card. Type in your information and then type in the text that has been shown in the image. Finally, click on the activate button beneath and you'll be able to activate your gift card for Zara. Next time you try to purchase a product from Zara.com, you can redeem this gift card during the checkout page. That is how you can easily redeem Zara gift card available to you using your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.